The company's headquarters is located in Jianan, the hometown of hydraulics in China. It covers an area of more than 6,000 square meters. We have more than 200 professionals and technical personnel. As a professional manufacturer in the field of aerial work equipment, we focus on the research and development and production of heavier-duty scissor lifts, arm lift hydraulic mobile loading and unloading platforms, and aluminum alloy aerial work platforms. The product line covers a full range of solutions. The company strictly implements international quality standards and has passed ISO 9001 and other international authoritative certification to ensure that each equipment is of excellent quality. We sincerely look forward to discussing cooperation with you.